Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was within this correction, we mentioned mostly we can expect one more drop, and this is what we get because we put in relative to this. Now we want to see how deep this one can go, whether this one can continue and retest 32.5 or not, because as we can see, we have a correction, the price drop, a small correction, and now still we can expect another small correction for continuation. How deep this one can go, we cannot confirm. Still, we can expect the price to take 32.5. That's why if anyone wants to look for sell with this type of the correction, because as we mentioned, still we can these things can repeat. They should look consider as a short-term sell if they want to look for sell, because as long as if they get the sell, as long as they get into the profit, we start to manage, because mostly we can expect for reversal. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction. Okay, now we want to see whether this one can retest this low before we get the next up move, or the price can continue from here. In this case, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can trade based on forward chart. All right, as we mentioned, after this correction, the price drop, and now we want to see whether the price can continue or not to take retest 32.5. Either the price drop to this level, or from here any reversal if we get, we look for buy. But if we see we get the buy setup, we see it's not moving, we start to manage my way. What's the reason? Because may this one to turn to another correction similar to what we have here. If the next the reversal is a corrective move for one more drop. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade based on 1 hour chart. If I move to 1 hour chart, first of all, if we put this one in relative to what we have here, okay, this correction, as we can see based on MACD, we have a divergence, and also we can see the divergence here. Okay, that's why maybe we get the reversal. But if the reversal is a sharp move similar to what we have here, maybe we can look for the sharp move with the correction for next move. This is what we're looking for. But if we see any reversal but turn to a corrective move similar to what we have here, mostly we can expect for one more drop. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Still, we can expect this one to give us one more drop. How deep it can go, still we can expect the price to take 32.5. But any reversal, whether from here or even the price drop a bit more, if you get any reversal with a sharp move and flag similar, or small correction similar to what we have here, we can look for buy. And if there is a sharp move, we get the trade with the breakout of this top, we start to manage, and this top is mean 37.7. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.